A pleasant day to all of us. Welcome to the inauguration of the Metro Manila Film Festival Auditorium. May we request our honorable guests to lead the unveiling of the marker of the MMFF Auditorium together with MMDA Acting Chairman Attorney Romando S. Artes and the officials of the MMDA. Unveiling of the marker. Okay. Again, may we request our honorable guests to join in the ribbon cutting of the MMFF Auditorium together with MMDA Acting Chairman Attorney Romando S. Artes and the MMDA officials. Ready? At the count of 3. 1. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Congratulations, everyone! We will now have a photo opportunity.